Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to market yourself as a software developer. If you're like any other software developers who are always looking for ways to improve their skills and stand out from the competition, then this one is for you. So program your brain to listen as I decode some essential tips on personal branding that will help you do just that. So whether you're just starting out or have been in the industry for a while, these tips will help you take your career to the next level. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. When creating a resume as a software developer, it is important to include information and skills that showcase your ability to develop various types of software. This should include the languages, technologies, and frameworks you are proficient with, as well as any other tools or libraries you are familiar with. Additionally, it is helpful to include any certifications related to software development. Beyond technical skills, it can be beneficial to also include soft skills such as communication and collaboration abilities. Being able to effectively communicate ideas, solutions, and other information regarding software development projects is an essential tool for success in the field. Showing examples of successful collaborations through past positions can help demonstrate these skills to potential employers. Furthermore, listing areas of expertise and specializations when it comes to software development may also help boost your resume. While having experience in many different areas is great, specializing in certain areas where you have exceptional knowledge may give insight into certain specialties that could be beneficial for employers looking for someone with those particular skill sets. On the flip side, there are certain things that should not be included on a software developer's resume, such as unrelated work experiences or hobbies. While these may be interesting facts about yourself, they won't necessarily show your proficiency or aptitude for developing software solutions, so it is best to leave them out of the document unless they truly add value or relate directly back to the job at hand. Additionally, including personal endorsements from previous employers can come off unprofessional and may not always reflect positively on yourself or be taken seriously by potential employers. It would be better instead to list concrete evidence of success in terms of awards won or projects completed successfully that back up your claims of being an excellent software developer. Marketing yourself as a software developer is an important part of finding a job or advancing in your current one. In today's highly competitive market, you need to stand out from the crowd and show potential employers that you're an asset to their team. Here are some tips on how to promote yourself and make sure that you're getting noticed by the right people. 1. Start with a strong portfolio. Potential employers will want to see examples of your work, so having a portfolio of projects you've completed and case studies of successful software development initiatives that you've taken part in is very important. Make sure it reflects your best and most recent work, and include details about what went into each project and the impact it had on the business. 2. Get certified in your field. Earning a certification can be an added incentive for companies to bring you on board. Becoming certified shows that you have taken steps to stay up to date on industry standards and norms, which can help prove that you have the skills necessary for the job at hand. 3. Become active in relevant communities and networks. Showing potential employers that you are actively involved in communities related to software development can be invaluable when they are looking for someone with specific experience or knowledge of certain technologies, programming languages, etc. Staying up to date on news, trends, and technology changes through various online sources such as forums, blogs, and social media channels like Twitter or LinkedIn will help keep you informed on current events while also positioning you as an industry leader with keen insight into its developments. 4. Publish articles or blog posts about software development topics or challenges faced by developers today. This can demonstrate not only your knowledge but also your ability to articulate complex concepts in layman's terms for those who may not understand the technical aspect of coding projects or software development initiatives, as well as others do within the industry circle. This can be especially helpful if there is any doubt about whether or not someone has the skill set needed for a particular role when competing against other candidates, which often happens. 5. Utilize digital marketing techniques such as SEO optimization in order to increase visibility for potential client or employers who may be searching for someone with expertise in software development online. This could involve building relationships with industry players through guest blogging opportunities, optimizing website content, networking via social media channels like LinkedIn. By following these tips, marketing yourself more effectively as a software developer should become much easier. With an impressive portfolio showcasing past successes, certifications indicating professional achievements as well as ongoing involvement within relevant industry circles, plus utilizing digital marketing strategies such as SEO optimization. It shouldn't take long before potential employers begin taking notice of your expertise. Preparing for a software development interview can be a daunting task, especially if you feel like you don't have the experience or knowledge to back it up. The key to success lies in being well prepared and having an understanding of what employers are looking for. First and foremost, be sure to brush up on your technical skills and knowledge related to the job you are applying for. This could include things such as coding languages, databases, development frameworks, security protocols, or cloud architecture. Spend some time researching these topics online and build up your understanding of them ahead of time. It's also beneficial to practice coding solutions on a different platform to improve your speed and accuracy when tackling problems. Most employers will want to see that you have a good handle on the technical aspects of the job role. Don't forget about the softer side of software development too. Showing enthusiasm and passion for technology is important in demonstrating that you understand how software solutions can benefit businesses in various ways. This could include learning about customer service processes, user interfaces, design principles, or data analysis techniques. Talking about past successes and experiences within software engineering can also help you stand out from other applicants during an interview. It's also wise to think carefully about the questions you might be asked during an interview. Do some research into what types of questions employers typically ask at a software engineering interview so that you aren't caught off guard when they come up. Additionally, try to remain relaxed throughout the entire process. Showing confidence in your answers is vital if you want employers to believe in your abilities as a potential employee. Finally, it always pays off to make sure that you understand the company's values and culture before arriving at an interview. This will give you great insight into what they are looking for and enable you to tailor your answers accordingly. With all these tips in mind, there's no reason why any aspiring software developer couldn't ace their next interview. Increase your effectiveness as a software developer. Now, after you grasp that job, maybe you are now pondering what's the next step. Well, your next goal is to prove that you are worthy of the job. So here's what you can do to remain effective as a software developer. One of the most important tips to becoming an effective software developer is building strong relationships with other developers in your area and industry. Not only will this help you stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies, but it can also be a great source of support, advice, and mentorship. Additionally, having a strong professional network can open up more opportunities for referrals, job leads, and consulting gigs. Investing in continuous learning is also essential for any software developer who wants to stay competitive. Keeping up to date with new programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and platforms will enable you to quickly become proficient in the technologies that your employer or clients are using. It's important to hone your problem-solving skills as well, because it's likely that you will encounter issues when developing a software application. To do this effectively requires that you understand how problems arise in the first place so that you can identify potential solutions faster and more accurately. You should also practice debugging code, which involves analyzing errors to determine why something isn't working correctly and then working through each step necessary to fix it. Finally, developing good communication skills is essential for successful collaboration within a team environment. Being able to clearly articulate ideas and concepts is critical for successful projects. This could involve giving presentations on new technologies or upcoming projects, as well as articulating technical requirements between teams such as product managers and engineers. Additionally, effective communication helps foster trust among team members, which leads to better collaborations overall. Marketing yourself as a software developer is no small feat, but it's an essential part of growing your career. By following the personal branding essentials outlined in this video, you can create an effective and compelling brand that will help attract potential employers or clients to work with. Whether you're just starting out or looking for ways to boost your existing profile, taking time to invest in crafting a strong professional persona can give you the edge needed to stand out from the competition and build success. So get started today, put together those portfolio pieces, find creative ways to network online and offline, and take pride in building a successful personal brand. Enjoyed this video? Then please leave a like and subscribe before you go. In this way, all our fresh contents will be served to you on a silver platter. Thanks for watching and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Stay safe and see you next time.